Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to capture iPhone screen content in HDR. iOS 26 introduces a welcome enhancement to screen capturing, HDR aka High Dynamic Range Support. This all-new feature allows you to take screenshots or record your iPhone display while maintaining richer colors, deeper contrast, and sharper details. That's it. Let's get started. So first we have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 26 or later. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose General. After that you have to select Screen Capture feature. And under the Format section choose HDR and you're all set. Once enabled, your iPhone will capture screenshots in HDR and record the screen in HEVC HDR10, delivering significantly improved image quality. It's worth pointing out that HDR files are much larger in size since they store more image data compared to standard PNG screenshots or HDR recordings. If you prefer smaller file sizes or broader compatibility, you can always switch back by selecting HDR most compatible under the same menu. Now let's talk about additional screen capture options. Alongside HDR, Apple has added several pretty handy screen capture tools, such as full screen previews. You can use it to view capture screenshots in a larger preview instead of just a small thumbnail. Automatic visual lookup. It allows you to identify objects, landmarks, plants, and more directly from your screenshots. And then there is CarPlay screenshots. You can use it to enable or disable the ability to capture images from your CarPlay display. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily capture iPhone screen content in the HDR quality. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.